The topic is writing the equation of a circle in standard form. So let's look at the definitions first. The equation of standard form has to have this form: x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Alright, so let's do this example. Example 1. Write the equation in standard form. And here's the equation. This is definitely not in standard form. So to rewrite it in standard form, what we need to do, remember, you want to have the x by themselves and the y by themselves. So what I do, I write x squared plus 8x and then plus y squared minus 6y is equal to 0. Right? Now next thing, what do we do? I'm going to leave some space here plus a certain number, and I'm going to do the same thing here. Y squared minus 6y plus some number equals 0. Now what I do is I'm trying to come up, I'm kind of like here, and I'm trying to complete the square. So think of x squared plus 8x is this part right here, x squared plus bx. So to complete the square, all I'm missing is b over 2 squared. So what is a b? b is 8. So I'm going to add 8 over 2, which is 4, squared. What I'm doing is b over 2 is equal 8 over 2 is equal 4. And then if you want to square this, means you square this, means you square that. Now, if I add 4 squared to the left of the equation, I have to do the same thing for the right side. Now again, same thing here. If you look at this equation, x minus b over 2 squared, b over 2 squared is equal to x squared minus bx plus b over 2 squared. So kind of like I have this part. So all I'm missing is b over 2 squared. So I'm going to add 6 divided by 2, which is 3 squared. Now if I add 3 squared on the left side, I have to do the same thing to the right side. Now what does this mean? If you look at this equation carefully, this is the same thing as x plus 4 squared, right? This is b over 2, right? And this is x. So it's x plus b over 2 squared is equal to that. Now plus, same thing if you look at this is the same thing as y minus 3 squared. Look at this equation carefully. Is equal, and all I need to do is add those numbers. 9 plus 16 is 25, and I'm done. It's already written in this form. Now let's do this example. This example is almost the same. The only problem, this 3 is bothering me. Because remember, we have to use these formulas. Both of them don't have, the coefficient of x is always 1. So what I do, I divide everything by 3. I divide left side by 3 and the right side by 3. If you divide left side, you get 3x squared over 3 plus 3 over 3y squared minus 12 over 3x plus 24 over 3y plus 39 over 3. 0 divided by 3 is 0. Simplify these two. You get x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 8y plus 13 is equal to 0. Now this equation looks exactly like this problem, so we'll do it the same way we did the previous problem. So we'll put all the x's close to each other. Oops, minus 4x, and then I'm gonna put the y's, y squared plus 8y equal, I'm gonna put the 13 to the other side, it's equal to negative 13. Now same thing here, x squared minus 4x plus some number plus y squared plus 8y, I'm going to add some number to complete the square, is equal to negative 13. So what do I add? You always take this number divided by 2, which is 2, you square it, but when you do that you have to add same thing to the right side. Again, you always take the coefficient of y, you divide it by 2, it's 4, you square it, let me do parentheses, and then you add it to both sides. Now this is going to be always, you ignore the x, you always take this and that, and because these are minus, this is x minus 2 squared Now same thing, you take the y and the 4, so it's y because of a plus, it's y plus 4 squared. And then all I need to do, add these numbers. what is this? 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 minus 13 is 7. And that's it for this example.